Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is fraction. So in this one, proper, then mixed fraction and the improper fraction. These are the three types we are going to see and with their convergence. The convergence mainly improper and mixed fraction. So that is very important. So this is the type of the fractions. Till the last video we have seen their comparisons. Okay. So in this one, we are going to see the types and their conversion. So what exactly the proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions? So proper fractions means the denominator should be greater than the numerator. Okay, this is very simple. Now this is a one fractions. Okay, in this one, this is a denominator which is a greater than this numerator. Here also the same and here also. Now in this type of the fractions we are saying this is the proper. Okay, so from this total something is take out. Okay, so that is from the total, not more than the total. If more than the total means that will goes the improper fractions. Now in improper fractions the denominator is smaller than the numerator. Now here if you see 17 is a denominator and 5 is 17 is a numerator and 5 is in denominator. So this 5 is smaller than this numerator. So here also this 2 is in denominator and this is smaller than this 5 numerator. So this is a improper fractions. I hope I hope you understand because the definition is very simple. Now, after this one, what exactly the mixed fraction? Now, mixed fractions means a fraction formed by a whole number or the integer parts. Okay, and proper fractions also known as mix. This is a combination of the integer or we can say the whole number and then proper fractions. Okay, now here this is a proper fractions. Okay, but this is added in a whole number, so this is a complete one fractions comes. Okay, I'm again repeating, this is a proper fractions. Okay, and after this proper fractions this is a complete whole number or integer, so additions of these two is we can say complete one mixed fraction. So here the plus sign is there like this one, but we are never write down the plus signs in mixed fractions, but there is a plus signs. Okay, now hence 3 whole number or we can say the integer part and 2 by 5 is a proper fraction. Therefore 3 and 2 by 5 is known as mixed fraction, or we can say 3 integer 2 upon 5. This is also the calling or we can say as a reading. Okay, then note 3 and 2 by 5 is known as mixed fraction. So this is completely known as the mixed fraction. Mixed fractions can be converted to improper fractions and also improper fractions can be converted to mixed fraction. This is very important. Means the improper and the mixed fraction, their conversion. Okay, here conversion or here to here also conversion, so that we are going to see. Now this is small example, 3 integer and 2 upon 5. Now this is a mixed fraction and this we have to convert to the improper fractions. Now improper fractions means in a numerator the value or the number is greater than the denominator automatically, because here now 3 and plus 2 by 5. Now 3 plus 2 by 5. Okay, like this one. So now 3 is a whole number or we can say integer, means 3 by 1 also there. Okay, now here I am just write down 3 plus then 2 by 5. Now here both the denominator are the different, so to make it same, to make it 5, so here we have to multiply by 5. Same this 5 we have to multiply here also. Okay, now here 5, this is comes the 5. Now both the denominator same means we can write down the denominator as it is. Now this is a 3 multiplied by 5 and plus 2, so 3 multiplied by 5 and then plus 2. So this is a complete steps is shown here. Okay, so I think you understand. After this one the simplification, multiplication has to do first, means 3 multiplied by 5 15 comes, and then this 2 plus 2 is here, so upon or we can say in a denominator 5, so 15 plus 2 means 17 and this is the denominator 5. So this is now improper fractions. So mixed fraction and this improper fraction. Now from improper to the mix also we can do. Okay, So this 17 is a dividend and this 5 as a divisor. Okay, so this 17 is a dividend and we have to divide this 5. So 5 3s are, okay, 5 3s are 15. So after this one the remainder is the 2. So this is a remainder and this is a quotient and this is a dividend. Okay, and this is a divisor. Okay, now the quotient and the remainder, these two are we getting the some numbers instead of this dividend. So divisor is the same because divisor means this dividend. Okay, this is a dividend or we can say the divisor. Now this already we have kept. Instead of this 17, quotient and remainder we have to replace or we can say convert. Okay, so this quotient means this is a complete full number or we can say the whole number. Okay, so this 3 as it is. After this one, remainder in a numerator means this is a 2 and a denominator is a 5, like this one. So this is a conversion of the mixed fraction from improper fraction. So for the this one, only the division to find out in the quotient and remainder that has to take out. So same example, I just make it comparison point of view for your understanding purpose. So now here mixed fraction to improper fraction and here improper fraction to mixed fraction. Okay, so now this is mixed fraction. Okay, 4 and 2 upon 3. 4 is a whole number or we can say the integer. Okay, so this is a 4 means here actually plus is sign there, this plus sign is shown and this 4 has to added to the 2. Now this 4 have the 1 in a denominator, but we are never writing for the whole number up means in a denominator as a 1 because that is a by default. If there is a another number then only we are write down. Okay, if there is a 0 means that is invalid number. So 1 is there. Now this denominator is having the 1 and here the 3, so that's why we are directly multiply by this 4 to the this denominator. Okay, and then addition of this 2 like this one. So 3 multiplied by 4 12 and plus 2 14. So 14 we are keeping in a this numerator. Okay, and this denominator is keep it as it is. Okay, so like this is a conversion or improper to mix also we can do. Now this is a improper. Okay, now from here to here how we are going to convert this one in a mixed fraction. So for this one the divisions, now 14 is a dividend. Okay, so 3 is a divisor. After this one 3 4s are 12. Okay, so 4 here as a quotient and after the 12 deducted from this dividend means 14, remainder is a 2. Now 3 cannot divide to the 2 because this is a smaller one. So now this remainder we are going to keep in a numerator and this quotient is comes to the this whole number. Okay, and this remainder is in a numerator. Okay, so now this is a mixed fraction. Okay, so please understand this convergence mixed to improper and improper to the mix. So what we have learned here, the fractions having the three main types. First type is the proper fraction, then improper fraction, and then mixed fractions. Proper fractions means fraction whose denominator is greater than numerator. Improper fractions means the numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, so there are some examples already we have seen. And mixed fractions means whole number and means additions. Okay, whole number and proper fractions together makes mixed fractions. Okay, so these are the examples 1 and 2 upon 3. Okay, so this is the main types. So let's go and understand the examples. So through the examples also we are going to clarify our concepts and the fundamentals. So question number 1 is there, which type of fraction is 2 upon 3? Now here 2 in numerator and 3 is a denominator. So now denominator is greater than numerator means this is a proper fraction. So option number 2. Now question number 2, which type of the fraction is 5 upon 3? Now here the denominator is smaller than the numerator means this is a improper fractions. Now which type of fraction is 3 whole number or we can say the 3 integer and 2 upon 7? Now here this is a mixed fraction, already we have seen. Okay, so don't make a confusion between mixed fraction, improper fraction and proper fractions. Now question number 4, from following fraction which one is proper fraction? Now there are 1 2 3 4 4 fractions are given separated with the commas and we have to choose the proper fractions. Now here 3 upon 5. Now here 5 is a denominator which is greater than numerator. Okay, so means this is a proper fractions. Let's check for the others. 7 upon 4, 4 is a smaller than this 7, so this is not a proper fraction, this is a improper fraction. Now 2 whole number and 1 upon 9, this 1 upon 3, this is a mix. Okay, and 12 by 7 means this 12 is a greater than this denominator 7, so this is a improper fractions. So these two are also not a proper fraction. So proper fractions means 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 means option number 1. Now question number 5, convert 13 upon 5 to mixed fractions. To convert this one, we have to make the divisions. Okay, so 13 as a dividend, 5 as a divisor. So 5 2s are 10, so remainder is a 3. So 3 is a remainder in a numerator. Okay, 5 as a in dividend and this 2 as a quotient. So 2 integer and 3 upon 5. This is given in option number 4. Now question number 6, convert 3 whole number 4 upon 7 into improper fraction. This is a mixed fractions. We have to convert in a improper. So as we know, 3 and here multiplication we have to do, and then after this one, after this multiplication we have to add this one. Okay, and this 7 keep it in denominator same as it is. Okay, so 7 multiplied by 3 21 plus this 4, and then in a denominator 7 as it is. So 21 plus 4 means 25 and by upon 7. So this is in option number 4. Now question number 7, 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 is equals to how much? Now both having the same in denominator, so we will keep the denominator same 3. Now 2 plus 5 means 7, so 7 upon 3. So now, but in if you see, all the options are in mixed fraction because this is a improper. So for this one, 7 divided by 3, so 3 2s are 6 and remainder is a 1. So 1 is keeping in a numerator and divided by 3 means this denominator same as it is, and this quotient 2 is in whole number. Okay, so 2 and 1 upon 3 means option number 1 is correct. Now question number 8, in a bracket 12 upon 5 minus 4 by 5. So here both the new denominator are the same, which is a 5. So this number we will keep it same, and directly we will make the subtraction. So 4 minus 12 minus 4 means 8. So 8 by 15 or 8 upon 5. So this is a improper, but in options mixed fractions is given. So directly we will make the divisions also. So 4 ones are, so this is a 1 and then remainder will be the 3. So 3 here as a remainder. Now this is a as a numerator, so and 5 in denominator same as it is. So 1 whole number and 3 upon 5. So this is given in option number 2. Now question 9, in a bracket 5 upon 4 plus 4 upon 3 plus 3 upon 2. Now 4 3 and 2, these are the denominator which are the different. So now if here the common multiples we have to find out, and that should be least means LCM. So 4 multiplied by 3 12 we have to do. So for this one, so here 12 keep it as it is. To make it this 12 we have to multiply by these 3 here, and same will be here also. Here multiply by 4 and same multiply by 4 here also. Here multiply by 6 and same multiply by 6 here also. Now this 4 multiply by 3, 3 multiply by 4 or 2 multiply by 6 are the 12. So same denominator comes. Now 12 keep it as it is. Now 5 multiplied by 3, it's a 15 plus 4 by 4, this is a 16, and then plus 3 multiplied by 6 means 18. Now these additions we have to do. So this is a 31 plus 18 means this is a 49, and then this is a 12. Now this is improper. We can do this in mixed fractions because all the options are in mixed fraction. So this is the 49 and this 12 as a divisor. So 12 4 is a 48 and remainder is a 1. So 1 is a in numerator and this 4 as a quotient will becomes in a whole number or integer, and then 12 as a denominator. So this 4 whole number and 1 upon 12 means option number 4. Now question number 10. Here if you see the denominator everywhere the same, which is a 55, and in a numerator 11 to 20 is there, and all the fractions have the additions, and this 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this denominator we will keep it same 55, and all the numerators additions we have to do. So 11 to 20 we have to add, and as we know the trick is there. Earlier in a video we have seen for 11 to 20 addition is 15, and then we have to add this, or we have to write down this 5 after this 15 means 155. So this is 155. So now here common we have to take out, so 5 we can take out, so 5 threes are, and then 5 ones are, okay, so 31 and 5 ones are 5 ones are, so 31 divided by 11. But all the options are in the mixed fractions, okay. So 11 twos are we have to do, because there is a 11 twos are 22. If we are doing the 11 threes are, so that will be 33, but here 31. So 11 twos are 22. Now 31 minus 22, it's a 9, so 9 is a remainder. Now it's in numerator, and this quotient is in the whole number as a 2, and this dividend means this 11, okay, divisor. So 2 and 9 upon 11, so 2 and 9 upon 11 means option number 2 is a correct. Thank you.